Hey guys, and welcome back to Sockets and Sideburns. Just a quick channel update for you today. Now I know that many of you will be gasping for Clio content at this point. I've got a nice list of jobs racked up to do on Clara. She's just got through her MOT. It kind of snuck up on me, as MOTs tend to do. I gave her a quick look over and I couldn't see anything, so in she went. Not a clean sheet. Brake discs, same as last year, both well in spec. I swear 2 good winters and this one comes up. Child seats, tends to happen. Judging on the age demographic of viewers, this one is likely to be one that you're going to have or will have soon. It could be you. We're at the sort of age now where corrosion can start to become a bit of a deciding factor on whether you're keeping the car or not. But as you can see here, other than the sump, we're actually doing really well on that front. We're now heading towards 120k, and 100k is just a fond memory at this point. So we'll take a walk around her and I'll show you what we've got planned. We'll start under the bonnet. Okay, first thing under here. You've asked again and again in the comments, and I am going to listen. I'll be doing a series of rocker cover based videos. It may even become a saga. No, wait, a trilogy. You know, for added epicness. Let's see, PCV valve, valve clearances, and the rocker cover and gasket itself. Yep, it's going to be a trilogy, boys. Everything gets turned into a trilogy nowadays. Also on this engine, we're due a cam belt change, and we'll be doing the water pump at the same time as well. It's leaking a little bit. You can see some residue just here from the water pump. We'll get a better look with all the covers off. It wasn't changed on the first belt change, I believe, so I'm not surprised it's leaking at this point. Staying on coolant, this coolant's been in here the full 5 years now, so it needs swapping out. I'll probably do a flush as well at the same time. I'll most likely end up doing this before I change the water pump. And the last thing in the bay is we have a slight whine in second and fourth from the gearbox. It's really hard to pick out, but it's definitely there. So I might change the box oil just to see if we get any improvement. Saying that though, she's never had a clutch, so the box could come off anytime soon anyway. Next, headlights again. Now, I'm really not surprised that this has gone this way. I think I'll go for a proper refurb this time, and then if that doesn't do the job or it comes back again, I'll probably just replace them. Okay, moving around the back now. Next up is the high-level brake light, which is a little bit intermittent. Give it a few taps and it gets quite a bit brighter. Now, I don't know what's causing this. It's usually the connector or the unit itself. If it's the unit, I might see if we can open it up and repair it. If not, I'll just go ahead and fit a new one. If it can be repaired though, I'm going to record that, so there'll be 2 videos, one diagnosing and replacing, and the other repairing the lamp itself. I know that these lamps are getting harder and harder to source new, so that might help a few people out if I can do that. Last up is rear brakes, shoes and drums. This car is still on the original set. I last had the drum off at 80k on the near side to change the bearing. At that time these shoes had plenty of meat on them, everything looked fine, but I'm sure by now they must be on their way out. I'll do a video on bearings at the same time as well. The new drums don't usually come with the bearings fitted, although I think you can get them like that, but they are quite a bit more expensive, more than if you fit the bearing in yourself. I might actually sacrifice a bearing or 2 into the old drums, just so we can go over all the different options for getting the bearings in there, because there's more than a few ways to do that. Now, some of this stuff, especially the bigger jobs where the car might have to be in the garage for a few weeks, will probably come after Christmas, because I need the garage free in the build up to the Christmas period, as at Christmas the garage serves a completely different purpose. Actually, I think I might do a video on that just to show you guys. Also, building on the success of the Clio radio code video, which I honestly didn't actually expect to do very well, but now is the top performing video on the channel. From now on, I'll be recording any little bits and bobs that I do. Hopefully it will help someone out. If we can help even one person out, then worth it. Now, I know more experienced subscribers and viewers won't be interested in them, but rest assured, it's not going to take away from the type of content you guys enjoy. It's going to be in addition to it. It's just if I have something like that to do, changing a bulb or a wiper blade, then why not record it? Anyway, I think that about wraps it up for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe and follow me over on Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys, and me and Clara will see you again soon.